Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you 7 of the best organizing products at the Container Store. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So please keep in mind that these products today that I'll be mentioning in this video are 7 of the best organizing products I think are the best organizing products at the Container Store. My opinion can change tomorrow, just like that. But these are the products that I either have in my home or that I constantly and consistently recommend to clients. So let's get right into the video. So one of the best organizing products at the Container Store are these chalkboard labels. The reason why I believe this is one of the best organizing products at the Container Store is because it is so easy to use. It is a chalkboard label. So in order to create your label, all you need is a chalkboard marker. You just write it on there and you are done. It is one of those foolproof type of products that don't require a lot of thinking. Of course, if you write it and you don't like it, you just remove it with some toilet paper and some water and it's blank again and you just rewrite it. I use this product all the time in my home, and most importantly, I recommend this product to all of my clients. I use it in their homes because it's just one of those foolproof type of labels that anyone can use. They also come in different shapes and sizes. They have a more oval size, and they also have a more smaller rectangle. They also have another type of shape, but I'm not sure what the name is, but this is what it looks like. And it's also a great way to add some fun in the space. I've used all shapes of this label in my clients' homes and I just love it. So the next best organizing product at the Container Store is this magnetic strip. So this one, of course, is sealed because actually I'll be giving this one away, but I do use a black one in my office. I've noticed that I like to hang things up and look at it when I'm sitting at my desk. And I don't have a cork board because I don't really like the vibe of a cork board, but I don't have a cork board or a magnet board in my office. And I wanted to add some type of magnet board without adding like the full length magnet board. I do have an acrylic board in my space that is not magnetic, so I have to use Tiki Tack, which is perfectly fine, to add things to it. So I saw this magnetic strip and I had to get it, and I'm so happy I did because now I can hang the small notes or the coupons or whatever it is. I can hang it in front of me so I can see it every time I sit at my desk. It is probably one of the best things that I've ever added to my office because it just makes, it's a small product, but it just makes like such a big impact and I really love it. And like I said, I will be giving this away. I have a white one and it's thinner. I actually like this one a lot. And yeah, so if you're interested, let me know in the comment section below and I'll just choose a winner soon. So the next best organizing product at the Container Store is this. Yes, it does look like stairs. But this is a 3-tier spice rack that I am absolutely obsessed with. I probably use this product in most of my clients' pantries whenever I organize it. It is one of those products that just kind of give your pantry the organization that it needs, especially because it holds your cans. It can also hold bottles. It can hold packaged food. It's a multifunctional product that I think works best in a pantry. And honestly, it also works best in a lot of other spaces in your home. If I were to give you a suggestion on what to add to your pantry, especially a small pantry, I would definitely suggest this spice rack before I suggest any type of organizing product, even bins, because this creates room on a shelf, therefore allows you to add multiple items on your shelf, and it just makes the world of difference when it comes to organizing a small pantry, especially a small pantry. So definitely a win, one of the best products that they have. The Container Store also have different types of spice racks, but this is the one that I always go for. It's just very clean, it's minimal, it goes with all styles, and it's just I think it's just a really great product. Don't you wink at me. All right, so the next best organizing product at the Container Store is the water hyacinth storage bin. This is probably the most recommended product that I recommend to all of my clients because it is, one, very inexpensive compared to their other very high quality looking bins, and it's a great product. It's a great product. I have all the sizes. I have the medium size, I have a small size, and I also have a larger size. My favorite size is the medium size, which is this, because I feel like it just kind of fits in people's spaces the best, especially if you want them to sit vertical on a shelf. You can add 3, you can add 4, 5, and it looks very streamlined and seamless. I just really love that look. And yeah, like if you're looking for a straw-like basket bin, I would definitely recommend this type of bin because it gives you the look that you're looking for, and it also organizes your space. It's like the best of both worlds. I love it. It also does come in a mocha color. So this is a natural color. There's also, yep, I have a mocha color, and it just depends on your kind of vibe. On the mocha one, I have this type of hanging label. And then in the natural version, which sits in my pantry, I have the clip-on label. I just love this bin. I have used it, as you can see, in a lot of clients' homes because it's just that bin that's inexpensive and it just fits with everyone's kind of vibe of their home, their pantry. And it does a great job at keeping your stuff organized because that's what bins do. They keep your stuff organized. So the next best organizing product at the Container Store is one of my favorites, which is this matte black hanger. So prior to these type of hangers, I used to use velvet hangers. Actually, I used to use the gray velvet hanger, and I was obsessed with it for a while. And then, as always, I noticed that lint was being carried on the hangers. Having lint on your hangers may not be an issue for you, but it was for me. I like my hangers to look very streamlined, very clean when they sit on the closet rod. And the black velvet hangers, first of all, hold on to too much lint, and then the gray one does as well. But I wanted to kind of change my closet up, as I do have the final reveal of this here office closet coming up at the end of the month. So definitely stay tuned for that. But I did end up changing my hangers to this black matte hanger. It's made out of like a rubbery kind of substance, and it's a plastic hanger. It does the same as a velvet hanger, but to me, it just looks much more minimal. It's just cleaner, it's just sleek, and I just absolutely love it. I think it's one of their best hangers. They have tons of hangers, but this is one of the ones that I gravitated towards because it works just like the velvet hangers, which means you're able to fit a lot of hanged clothes on a rod, and it just looks sleek. So I kind of like when, you know, the look of something, so the aesthetics of a product and the functionality of it kind of coincide. I really love that, and this is definitely what this has done. Definitely think it's one of their best hangers, and yeah, I recommend it all the time. Another organizing product that I believe is one of the Container Store's best organizing products is their acrylic floating shelf. I actually don't have it on me or with me because it sits in my closet. It holds all of my jewelry perfectly. What I love about it the most is the fact that it is hung in between, or it sits in a corner. It's a corner shelf, and I don't really come across a lot of corner shelves that I like, let me be honest, but this really small acrylic shelf is perfection because honestly, by the time I finished transforming my closet, I wasn't sure where my jewelry was gonna sit. And thankfully, I found this amazing corner shelf at the Container Store and was in awe because honestly, I've never seen it in their stores. So I was completely surprised when I saw that they had it. It's a great shelf. It's pretty durable, so it can hold a good number of stuff. Again, it's small, it sits in a corner, so it's not meant to hold like a safe, no. But it's meant to hold those items that may not have a space in your closet or in any space, but you want it to be displayed. It's kind of like a display shelf, but I'm using it again to hold my jewelry, and I'm so happy it's where it is because my jewelry has a beautiful space to sit. I can come to it, see it, use it, and I think it's just a great product. It's one of their best products in my opinion. If you're looking for a display shelf of some sort for just any kind of space, I think using something like that in a smaller space allows it to stand out more than if you were to use it in a much larger space. Just my opinion. All right, so the last but not least, best organizing product at the Container Store is the Rollout Chrome Drawer. Again, I don't have it with me here because it sits in my kitchen. So if you don't already know, I am obsessed with drawers. I love drawers, especially in the kitchen. And hopefully when we do move into another home, my kitchen will have drawers more so than cabinets. I love drawers because drawers allow you to have access to your items without having to bend down, hurt your back. I don't have time for that. And drawers just make it so much easier, like I said, for you to have access to your stuff, easily accessible. I added this chrome drawer to my lower cabinet, to one of my lower cabinets, and in it is where all of my skillets and pots sit. Don't have a lot, so I only have one. I do plan on adding another to the other side just to have access to other things that sit on that cabinet. But I really love this. It was easy to install. It works perfectly. Of course, you just have to make sure that you read the directions if you'll be installing it, just to make sure you install it correctly. But if you do, you will definitely be happy you did. It is one of their best organizing products as far as drawers, like add-on drawers, because it does make your space so much more easily accessible. And it's one of those products that I recommend all the time, that I've installed all the time in clients' homes. So of course I had to have it in this here video. All right, guys, that is it. These are the 7 organizing products that I think are the best organizing products at the Container Store. I recommend them all the time to clients because they just stand out to me. The quality is high. The products look great. They do the job perfectly, and I definitely will never not stop suggesting or recommending them. So let me know in the comment section below if you have any of the products that I mentioned in this video. Let me know. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye. Come here. Do you want to show them what you've just made for me? She made me a Rescue My Space sign. Where am I going to put it? On my door? Okay, thank you, honey. Good job. Good job. Oh, yeah, you can go fast. All right. Yeah, I'm done.